This is day one of setting up this German Democratic Republic group, which is East Germany in around 1950s, 1960s. This group will be focusing on the NPA, Stasi, or the Ministry of State Security, the police, and the People's Chambers, which I haven't attached yet. I have started by working on the ranks. So this is the template I created for one of my maps, and I'll be using it as well for some of the others. And I shall be using it to make the army logo. Hide that, paste it in, and scale it out. Now I can just export it. And now I will assign each logo. And for the army, configure and upload it. Now that all of the logos are done, I'm going to sort out the ranks for the German People's Police. I have made a few main ranks. I cannot remember what they mean, but they work. Now I'm going to sort out these games, which I have for this army. I'm starting off by fixing the civilian spawn, as the teleport paths do not work whatsoever. I'm going to start by updating the divisional groups. Now that the ranks are completely set up, I'm going to work on the decal IDs for each rank, as they are currently set to my British Army ones. I shall now begin to set up the Discord server. This is the final Discord server for now. Now that that is all completed, I'll be uploading the auto team script, which I already have. After completing that, I set up the spawns for the civilians, police, and military. I am now adding in the military uniforms from the main game. I'll just have the uniforms laid out in front for now. Right here. And I'll just be fixing some of the broken buildings. Now that concludes the barracks, and I'm just going to finish off by inserting the regular infantry uniforms, which I have in the main game. I'm just going to copy it over. Control-C, and then paste. Now the barracks are completely finished. I'll be setting up tanks at a later date, as those are quite a hassle at the beginning. So I'm going to publish the updates. This now concludes the first episode. The next should be coming out tomorrow, where we will be doing more rank structure and recruitment. We'll also be importing new gun systems and enhancing the map. Thank you.